welcome back to Maths with Sukirti Gaur YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start with question number 4 of exercise 2.5. This is from chapter 2 polynomials, class 9th Maths NCERT book. Let us read the question. Question number 4 says expand each of the following using suitable identity. Now here we have been asked to expand each of the following. So let us start with part 1. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Can you find out which identity will be suitable for it? Yes. A plus B plus C whole square. This you have covered with me in the video in which I have covered all the identities. Now using this one, can you expand this? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Right? Here you can see we have plus in between. So the formula is for A plus B plus C whole square. Now we will be modifying the terms according to our question. Let us see how we can do that. Here we have got plus and plus here. So I can take A as x, B as 2y and C as 4z. So right here in the side A as x, B as 2y. Now here expanding it as A square, x square plus B square 2y square plus C square 4z square. Okay, plus 2AB, so 2 into x into 2y plus 2BC, 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2CA plus 2C 4z into A is x. Now solve it. X square plus 4y square plus 16z square. Do not do 4 into 2, 8 because most of the time students do this mistake. 2 into x into 2y will be 4xy plus 2 into 2y into 4z will be 16yz plus 2 into 4z into x will be 8zx. This is the expanded part of first part of this question, right? Coming on to second part. So second part is 2x minus y plus z whole square. Here we are going to compare this with this, right? What the identity what we are going to use. Can you see I can write A as 2x. I can write B as, now here what is the problem? Instead of plus we are getting here minus. So to convert it to the general form A plus B plus C whole square, we are going to write it as 2x plus minus y in bracket plus z as it is, because that is not giving us any problem. B will be minus y and C will be z. Taking all these values, we are going to expand it as A square, 2x square plus B square means minus y square plus C square, z square plus 2AB, 2 into A is 2x into B is minus y plus 2BC minus y into z plus 2CA. 2 into z into 2x. Solve it. 4x square minus y square will be plus y square and plus into plus y square will be plus y square plus z square. This will become 2 into 2 4xy and that will be of minus 4xy. This will be minus 2yz and the last one will be 2 into 2 4xz, right? 4x square plus y square plus z square plus into minus minus 4xy, plus into minus minus 2yz, and plus 4xz. This is the expanded form of second part. Coming on to the third one. Third part is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z, 2z whole square. Again, compare this one with this. What will be our a? A will be minus 2x, right? Because here a isn't positive. So if I take it as positive, I have to take it like this in bracket. So a we will be taking as minus 2x. B is already in positive, so we will be taking B as 3y. C, again it is positive, 2z. Okay, so these are all the modifications which we need to do according to the question. Here expand it. A square means minus 2x square plus b square plus 3y square plus c square 2z square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b plus 2bc, 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2ca, 2 into 2z. Yes, here we have multiply, and 2ca, a is our minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x whole square is plus 4x square. Here we have square. 3y square is 9y square plus 2z square will be 4z square. Here it will be whole. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12, minus 12xy. So plus minus 12xy in bracket. Here it will be 2, 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 12yz. And last one will be 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and that will also be in negative. So plus minus 8xz in bracket. Again 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8xz. This is the expanded part. We are done with the third part. Coming on to fourth one. In the fourth part, we have 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Compare it with this. Can I write it as 3a plus a minus 7b plus minus c whole square? Yes, because see, we want here positive sign between a, b and c. If we do not have, or the question have not given us, we are going to modify the question such that it does not change, but we have easy comparison, right? So taking a as 3a, b as minus 7b and c as minus c. Here all expanding it, a square is 3a square plus b square minus 7b square plus c square minus c square, okay, plus 2ab, 2 into 3a into minus 7b plus 2bc, 2 into minus 7b into minus c plus 2ca minus c into 3a, right? 3a whole square will be 9a square plus minus 7b square will be 49b square, and 49b square, that will be in positive because minus into minus will be plus, so 49b square. Third term will be plus c square. Now here we have 2 into 7 and 7 times 3 will be 21, that will be in negative, so 21ab. Till now you have got how I am doing it directly. Now we have 2 into 7, 14, minus into minus will give us plus, and it will be plus 14bc. Then we have 2 into 3, 6, 6 into minus will be minus 6ac. we are done with the expansion of fourth part. If you have understood this question, then please like this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe the channel. Please hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. You can comment me in the comment box if you have any query or doubt in this question, or you have any another question to ask. Till then, take care. Bye bye.